In the previous lesson, we learned about creating target audience to address your customers effectively. In this lesson, we kick off this learning unit by going through what we call a market and digital landscape analysis to aid you in developing a strategic digital marketing plan. A market and digital landscape analysis is a framework that you can utilize to analyze both internal and external factors that have an effect on your company's positioning. Your analysis here are known as drivers, as this is what drives your strategy plan. In a market and digital landscape analysis, you should be looking at the 3 C's we went through in the previous video, as well as the 3 pillars of digital marketing: digital channels, creative and content, and the user journey. Before going to market and digital landscape analysis, first we will look into audience, which is where your audience will be. For both market and 3 pillars, you need to evaluate your company's strengths and weaknesses against opportunities and threats from competitors, trends, and external factors. In the audience section, you can input the audience segmentation that we determined from the previous lesson. This is who exactly you are targeting your brand to. In the market section, there are 4 factors that you need to evaluate: brand and products or services, customers, budget and resources, and others. Think back to our previous lesson on the 3 C's where you talk about your company and competitors. When evaluating your own company, there are a few factors to look at: your brand and how it's received, products or services, budget, team or agency support, skill sets, customer base, and more. To reiterate what was said then, you need to understand your company's place in the market landscape in order to execute an efficient digital marketing strategy. In addition to evaluating your own company, you must also look at your competitors' performance through tools such as Facebook Ad Library, Uber Suggest, and SEMrush. Moving on to the next section, this is where you need to evaluate your company's strengths and weaknesses against opportunities and threats from competitors and trends against the 3 pillars of digital marketing. For user journey, look at how your user journey and experience flows and what excelled or what needs improvement. In digital channels, analyze which channels you have utilized that have brought forward good results, or which channels may be lagging behind. For creative and content, evaluate what pieces of content you have published that have performed the best and have worked for you. Repeat these steps for your competitors as well. Find out what have been working for or against them and include it in your analysis. When you understand your company's strengths and weaknesses as well as how you fare against competitors, you will be able to optimize your efforts and create the digital marketing strategy that is efficient and high performing. In the next lesson, we will start to look at creating action plans in your digital marketing strategy.